Hey friends, Drew here. Quick update at the end of the day, what we've gotten done, where we're at. So yesterday our crew removed the stucco from the bottom 8 inches of this wall, bottom 9 inches of this wall, to give us some space so that we could work. Today Norm and I worked on removing some water damaged plywood here at the bottom of both corners, on the front and on the back of the roof. We then were able to do some other things to dress the roof deck in areas where we were having some challenges. We put in 18 inches of ice and water shield, 9 inches up the wall, 9 inches onto the deck in that corner to flash that in. And then on top of that, we left a 1/2 inch gap, and then we put a 2x4 on top of that. And that's going to be what our step flashing is going to get nailed to. So we're going to get our roof crew in here in the next day or two and strip this off completely, put a brand new roof on this whole shoot and match with correct step flashing up against that new 2x4, both on the front and on the back. Once that's in, we'll do a piece of Z-flash down and over the step flashing, and then when we go to redo the stucco, we can continue the previous synthetic underlayment that's running down the rain screen that's running down behind the stucco. We'll bring that out on top of the new Z-flashing that we're going to put down. That'll bring any water that comes down the face of that out in front of the Z-flash, out in front of the step flash, and out onto the roof, where it can drain down safely over to the bottom. We're probably also going to take these downspouts here at the top of the peak that currently run onto the roof. We're going to hard pipe them into the gutter, which will hopefully help better protect those corners in the future. And having a correct flashing package up against this gable end wall of the house, between the roof and the wall, it's going to help prevent that water from getting in. So we got 3 rooms worth of drywall to repair inside from the wind-blown rain and whatever damage happened from all of that. So we'll get on that as soon as we get this complete. But next step is get the roofing crew in here, strip this the rest of the way off, and get it all back together with new shingles. Once the roof crew is done, we get back in here with our stucco team, we put the stucco back together, and then we can work on the drywall inside and make it pretty and happy and get this repair completely on the way. So that's what we're playing with here today. If you've got a problem that we can solve, our office staff's available to serve you with 9:30 to 2 weekdays at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. There's absolutely nothing that we can't help you with. Take a picture of the damage, send it to us here on our Facebook page. Click that message us button, contact us button up in the top on our timeline photo, cover photo. Click on that, send us a message, send us some pictures along with your contact details. Our office will get you a quick estimate. And if you like the ballpark estimate, then we can talk about next steps for what it's going to take to get your project scheduled and get an on-site estimate and those sort of things taking place. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it's Cope built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope you've had fun learning along with us as we're putting things back together. And we'll give you some progress updates at the end of this week or the beginning of next week with the completed project, so you can see the after photo, and then we'll start working on the drywall inside. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.